Hey, what's up guys? Warren S here, Rocksculptor. Hey, wanted to take a quick minute to discuss the upcoming workshop and what's to kind of be expected. It's a 2-day workshop, it's $300, in which there's gonna be live Q&A. The demonstrations are gonna be close up. We're gonna have multiple camera locations to capture that live feel. And secondly, I just want to take a quick minute to discuss the differences between a live and physical. Over the years, a lot of people have reached out, hey, when are you doing a workshop over here in California? When are you doing a workshop over here? Well, with the pandemic and everything going on, we found out that it's probably better to go digital. It's $300 versus $1,500 or $800. I just knocked out a class 2 weeks ago. It was $800 for 2 days. That $800 is really like $2,000 in the grand scheme of things. Reason is it's because of travel costs and things like that, being away from your work. Some of you may have employees, and so that's gonna tie up some time, energy, and resources. Another thing I wanted to touch on is the fact that over the course of the years, I've had an opportunity to train a lot of people, physical classes, and in which what I found is most of the people coming through the door were people that already had established businesses. They already had money set aside for educational purposes. They were already up and running. They usually have 8 to 10 employees. They usually have a functioning business model that's very healthy, and they're looking to adopt vertical concrete into their business model. Well, what I find is the weekend warriors, the people that are trying to get a foot into this game, they never make it out of weekend warrior mode or recreation. And I found out is because it's very costly to do a private class or a physical class. And so we want to do the digital, and I think it's going to be a great platform to allow these artists to flourish, or contractors. Okay guys, I just want to explain a little bit about the pricing structure regarding the video. It's $300 for approximately 16 hours of video. It's $240 early bird special, goes up to $300 as we approach the class. Once the class is completed, filmed, we're going to offer an edited version online. That cost is going to go up. It's going to be right around $400. It could be a little more, depending on editing fees and digital storage fees. Something to be mindful of. We've already got a few messages like, hey, I'm not going to be available Friday and Saturday. What should I do? I said, just purchase the live version because that's going to assure you a downloadable copy. Okay, guys, so in closing, any questions or concerns regarding this upcoming workshop, go ahead and shoot me an email, info@rocksculptor.com. It's going to be a great workshop. I'm super excited. Hope to see you guys there. Peace out.